CNA Practical Assessment Preparation. Question 1. What does positioning a resident help prevent? Option A, boredom. Option B, pressure injuries, bed sores. Option C, hunger. Option D, dehydration. The correct answer is option B, pressure injuries, bed sores. Question 2. When is it necessary to perform hand hygiene? Option A, before and after glove use. Option B, only after touching body fluids. Option C, only before touching a resident. Option D, once an hour, on the hour. The correct answer is option A, before and after glove use. Question 3. A resident refuses to take their medication. What should you do? Option A, hide it in their food. Option B, force them to take it. Option C, report the refusal to the nurse. Option D, leave it on their bedside table for later. The correct answer is option C, report the refusal to the nurse. Stressed about your CNA exam? We can take CNA exam for you remotely and undetected. We always guarantee a pass and payments only after results. To send us an email, scan the code or tap the link in the description and let's get it done. Question 4. A resident calls you by the wrong name. What should you do? Option A, ignore it to avoid embarrassing them. Option B, firmly correct them each time. Option C, gently remind them of your name and continue the conversation. Option D, ask them, don't you even know who I am? The correct answer is option C, gently remind them of your name and continue the conversation. Question 5. What is active listening? Option A, listening while you perform other tasks. Option B, nodding your head while the resident talks. Option C, giving the resident your full attention and responding to their feelings. Option D, repeating everything they say back to them. The correct answer is option C, giving the resident your full attention and responding to their feelings. Question 6. You are making an occupied bed. What is the most important thing to remember? Option A, to make it look neat. Option B, to use fresh linens. Option C, to keep the resident covered and protected at all times. Option D, to finish as quickly as possible. The correct answer is option C, to keep the resident covered and protected at all times. Question 7. The term dysphagia refers to difficulty. Option A, breathing. Option B, swallowing. Option C, hearing. Option D, seeing. The correct answer is option B, swallowing. Question 8. You are asked to perform a task that is not in your scope of practice. What should you do? Option A, do it to be a team player. Option B, ask the resident if it's okay. Option C, politely refuse and explain it's outside your role. Option D, try your best, but ask for help if you need it. The correct answer is option C, politely refuse and explain it's outside your role. Are you looking for CNA exam actual questions? Visit our website pokerexams.com to access CNA exam study guide with actual questions and answers. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to get CNA exam answer key today. Question 9. A resident is NPO. What does this mean for their care? Option A, they can have water only. Option B, they can have ice chips only. Option C, they can have nothing by mouth. Option D, they need a bedtime snack. The correct answer is option C, they can have nothing by mouth. Question 10. A resident has a low-grade fever. Which of these is an appropriate action? Option A, apply cold packs to their skin. Option B, remove extra blankets and offer fluids. Option C, bundle them up to sweat it out. Option D, give them a cold bath. The correct answer is option B, remove extra blankets and offer fluids. Question 11. You notice a resident's urine has blood in it. What should you do? Option A, flush the toilet and report it to the nurse. Option B, ignore it, as it's probably normal. Option C, show the nurse the bedpan before emptying it. Option D, ask the resident if they are in pain. The correct answer is option C, show the nurse the bedpan before emptying it. Question 12. A resident is on a thick and liquid diet. Why? Option A, they are on a diet to lose weight. Option B, they have difficulty swallowing, dysphagia. Option C, they prefer the taste of thicker liquids. Option D, it provides more nutrition. The correct answer is option B, they have difficulty swallowing, dysphagia. Question 13. Why is it important to keep a resident's skin dry and clean? Option A, moisture can break down the skin, leading to sores. Option B, it prevents body odor. Option C. It makes the resident feel more comfortable. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question 14. Which of these is not considered one of the four main vital signs? Option A. Pulse. Option B. Respiration. Option C. Pain. Option D. Blood pressure. The correct answer is option C. Pain. Question 15. A resident wears a hearing aid. How do you care for it when not in use? Option A. Wipe it with a wet cloth and put it on the bedside table. Option B. Store it in a safe, dry place with the battery compartment open. Option C. Put it in a cup of water to soak overnight. Option D. Leave the battery in and turn up the volume. The correct answer is option B. Store it in a safe, dry place with the battery compartment open. Question 16. Which of these is a sign of approaching death? Option A. Increased appetite and thirst. Option B. Shane-Stokes breathing, a cycle of deep, rapid breathing followed by no breathing. Option C. Strong, bounding pulse. Option D. Clear, conscious state of mind. The correct answer is option B. Shane-Stokes breathing, a cycle of deep, rapid breathing followed by no breathing. Question 17. When providing perineal care, you should always clean. Option A. Back to front. Option B. In a circular motion. Option C. Front to back. Option D. Side to side. The correct answer is option C. Front to back. Question 18. What does confidentiality mean in plain language? Option A. Sharing resident gossip only with your close friends at work. Option B. Keeping resident information private and only sharing it with the care team. Option C. Telling the resident everything about their medical condition. Option D. Hiding information from the resident's family. The correct answer is option B. Keeping resident information private and only sharing it with the care team. Stressed about your CNA exam? We can take CNA exam for you remotely and undetected. We always guarantee a pass and payments only after results. To send us an email, scan the code or tap the link in the description and let's get it done. Question 19. In which order do you remove PPE? Option A. Mask, gown, gloves, eyewear. Option B. Gown, gloves, eyewear, mask. Option C. Gloves, eyewear, gown, mask. Option D. It doesn't matter as long as you're careful. The correct answer is option C. Gloves, eyewear, gown, mask. Question 20. Which action best promotes a resident's right to privacy? Option A. Discussing their care in the hallway to save time. Option B. Knocking on the door before entering their room. Option C. Leaving their medical chart open on the bedside table. Option D. Telling other residents about their condition. The correct answer is option B. Knocking on the door before entering their room. Question 21. You are using a transfer belt and the resident starts to fall. You should, option A. Let go of the belt. Option B. Yank hard on the belt to pull them up. Option C. Hold the belt firmly and try to control the fall. Option D. Grab their arm instead. The correct answer is option C. Hold the belt firmly and try to control the fall. Question 22. What is an oral thermometer used to measure? Option A. Blood pressure. Option B. Pulse rate. Option C. Body temperature. Option D. Oxygen saturation. The correct answer is option C. Body temperature. Question 23. A resident repeatedly asks the same question. You should, option A. Answer the question patiently each time. Option B. Tell them you already answered that. Option C. Ignore the question until they stop. Option D. Walk away. The correct answer is option A. Answer the question patiently each time. Question 24. A fire starts in a resident's wastebasket. After removing the resident, what's the next step in RACE? Option A. Extinguish. Option B. Alarm. Option C. Confine. Option D. Run. The correct answer is option B. Alarm. Question 25. You are helping a resident dress. Which side do you dress first? Option A. The right side. Option B. The left side. Option C. The unaffected or stronger side. Option D. The affected or weaker side. The correct answer is option D. The affected or weaker side.